Welcome to the how-to guide for TradeLink's new online trade portal. In this video, we will show you how to utilize the Store Finder tool. Your account name and associated home branch will always be displayed in the top navigation bar of the portal. If you have multiple accounts with TradeLink, select the drop-down arrow, and you can change to an alternate account. Tip: you may need to allow or activate your location settings on your device, highlighted in yellow, so the Store Finder can serve you your closest branch based on your current location. To change or search for a TradeLink branch, click within the location box at the top of the screen. This will open the Store Finder where your home branch address and phone number are located at the top. You can view stores by their available services. Upon clicking Get Directions, Google Maps will open in a new window with full functionality.